Cig gornel gynnar i'r Seintiau Newydd. I Redmond fy'n dod. Nôl ei tuag at Brobl. Draper yn tynnu hun. Tuag at y cwrt Cosby. Mae'n disgyn i'r Routledge allan yn ôl. Redmond ar groesau fyny dda. Tuag at Hudson. Mae'r golwr yn ei gollwng ei. A mae Keston Davies wedi rhoi Seintiau Newydd ar y blaen. 2 funud a hanner o'r gêm di chwarae. Mae'r dechreuad gweitha posib i dîm Matthew Bishop, Smonach a camgymeriad erchyll gan Pennock yn y gol. Routledge. Brobl yn troi. Mendes ar bas. Yr un berffaith i Redmond. Mae Draper yn y canol. Redmond yn mynd i hun a mae'n taro'r postyn. Yr opsiwn na yn sgwar o mi ath o am gol i hun a bron o gael ei heibio i Pennock. Mi gath heibio Pennock, mae'n taro'r postyn. O, na'n bas flair gan Ryan Edwards. Draper i Routledge. A Brobl, do ddim yn cam sefyll, cyfleu tîn. 2 i'r Seintiau Newydd. Cam gymeriad arall gan Aberystwyth. Fel cyllach drwfenyn. Yr gwrth ymosodiad Nick Cosby. Ryan Brobl yn cerad o amgylch y golwr. Ac yn rhwydo ei drydydd gol o'r tymor. 3 munud o'r hanner cyntaf weddill ac yn dyblu mantais y Seintiau Newydd. 10 llath ar 20 o gol Pennock. Brobl ar ergyd. Mae'n taro traws. Dwi'n ni os gael Pennock blaen i fysydd iddi. Os nath o, mi ar y beidiau dda. Celewi yn y cwrs Cosby i'r ergyd a draws o Phillips blaen tywyd oedd angen. Iangfa i'r Seintiau Newydd. Mendes i Alex Boss, Boss rwan. Cyfle ergydio, Boss ar ergyd. Neb yn gael lawr. Reilydd Alex Boss, oedd ei werth cynnig. Oegian llath. A ddim yn treferthu Paul Harrison. Cobs, you had a game plan, but that game plan was skipped after a couple of minutes.
Yeah, it's unfortunate, like, you know, because we came here to obviously sit back and let them come onto us and then go into an area and then we're going to press. But unfortunately, individual areas just cost us again today, you know. Unfortunately, Pens has been on that end of it. But I thought apart from that, he was immense. The rest of the game, he was, you know, there was no other shots apart from them 2 chances that they had, in which, you know, they took well.
You know, they certainly weren't going to lie down and get beat 10 again, were they? So we knew that. We knew they were going to defend resolutely, which they did. And they stuck to their task, really, and fair play to them, because I can see after 2 minutes, you know, it looks like it could have been maybe an avalanche of goals again, but they stuck to it and they frustrated us, and fair play to them.
Dau camgymeriad yn eich Cosby chi?
Ie, just camgymeriad ei hunan costyn i'r gêm, ond y blaw ni, nes ni pob beth, nes ni dilyn y cynllun, a yn anffodus nes ni ddim cael yr result o'n ni angen yn y diwedd, ond mlaen i'r susesa, really.
Lee Jenkins is a breath of fresh air. It's good to see such a youngster come through, and you know he's a man already. You know he's a big lad, and I'm sure he's gonna have a good future in the game, whether it be in the Welsh Prem or hopefully for his sake. I think he can play a lot higher than where he is now.
Did we do enough with the ball in the final third? Probably not, but 3 points, clean sheet.